Ever wondered if there are machines out there quietly making money from living rooms and garages? In this video, you'll discover 15 surprisingly affordable machines that can literally print money from home, and almost nobody talks about them. Some of these are so unusual your friends won't even believe they exist. 1. Custom T-shirt printing machine. Everybody wears t-shirts, but not everyone realizes how easy it is to make them at home. A modern heat press, or DDG, direct-to-garment printer, lets you take any design slogans, local team logos, funny graphics, and put it straight onto fabric. You load the shirt, line up your design, press one button, and the machine does the rest. Starter presses cost just a few $100s, and blank shirts are cheap in bulk. Sell online, at markets, or to local clubs and businesses. Because each shirt can be personalized, your profit margin is high and customers keep coming back for fresh designs. 2. Sticker and label cutter / printer. Every small business needs labels, and kids love stickers. A desktop cutter / printer combo lets you print full-color designs on adhesive sheets and cut them into any shape automatically. You just feed in your file, hit print and cut, and out come professional-looking sheets. With one machine, you can service dozens of local entrepreneurs who don't want to order huge quantities from a factory. You can even sell themed sticker packs on Etsy or at school fairs. Machines start around $200 to $400 and fit on a desk. 3. Sublimation mug press. Personalized mugs are everywhere: offices, weddings, gift shops, and you can make them in your kitchen. Sublimation presses use heat to fuse your artwork into a special mug coating, so the print is permanent and dishwasher safe. Slide the mug in, clamp, wait a minute or two, and you're done. Blank mugs cost about $1 to $2 each, but personalized ones routinely sell for $10 to $15. A small press costs under $200 and takes very little counter space. This is the kind of quiet home machine that can turn small orders into steady side income. 4. 3D printer for custom parts. For years, manufacturing plastic parts was off-limits to small creators. Now, an entry-level 3D printer, $250 to $500, can churn out phone stands, cosplay pieces, replacement knobs, or even miniatures for tabletop games. Load filament, choose your file, and the printer builds the item layer by layer. You can charge for custom prints, sell your own designs online, or offer a rapid prototype service for local inventors. Because you're producing on demand, you don't need big inventory, just your printer and imagination. 5. Small laser engraver. People love engraved gifts, cutting boards, phone cases, glassware, even jewelry. A desktop laser engraver, around $300 to $700, lets you etch names, logos, or artwork onto wood, acrylic, leather, and more. You upload a design, set the power, and watch the laser draw perfect lines. Offer custom gifts for weddings, corporate events, or local shops. Many engravers also cut thin materials, so you can produce your own keychains or ornaments. It's a compact machine with a high perceived value. Customers happily pay for personalized items. 6. The custom mug and tumbler press. Picture this. You've got a small press on your kitchen counter, a stack of blank mugs and tumblers, and your laptop. With just a few clicks, you print someone's wedding photo, a funny quote, or a company logo straight onto the mug. No giant factory, no big learning curve. People love buying personalized drinkware, especially in bulk for events or as gifts. Once your first few orders go out, you'll realize this little press is basically a license to print money because margins on custom mugs are huge. 7. 3D printed home decor station. You've seen those sleek vases, plant pots, and cool little figurines on Instagram, right? A single desktop 3D printer can make them while you sleep. You load up a design, hit start, and wake up to finished products you can sell online or at local markets. The crazy part is you can offer made-to-order pieces in customers' favorite colors or sizes, something big stores can't do. That personal touch lets you charge a premium. 8. Small batch candle pouring setup. Candles aren't new, but hand-poured, custom-scented candles with eco-packaging are booming. A simple melting pot, molds, wicks, and fragrance oils are all you need. People will pay more for scents you name yourself. Think Sunday morning coffee or Addis sunset. This is the kind of cozy, low-risk mini factory that can start on a kitchen table and turn into a real brand. 9. Compact heat transfer apparel press. Custom t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags are still one of the easiest products to sell online. A compact heat press lets you transfer your own designs, slogans, or artwork onto blanks in minutes. Because you control production at home, you don't need to order 500 pieces up front. You make what sells when it sells. It's a fast way to test trends and build a loyal following. 10. Laser-etched gifts machine. Tiny desktop laser engravers have dropped in price. With one of these, you can personalize wooden phone cases, jeweler boxes, cutting boards, even leather wallets. People love receiving something with their name or date on it. You become the go-to person for birthdays, weddings, and corporate gifts, and each piece leaves your factory looking like it came from a high-end shop. 11. Mini chocolate and candy molding kit. Chocolate-making machines for home use have gone mainstream. You melt chocolate, pour it into branded or novelty molds, and package it beautifully. Seasonal and event-based candies are easy wins: hearts for Valentine's, logos for businesses, characters for kids' parties. Because you're producing in small batches, you can experiment with flavors big manufacturers ignore. 12. Desktop sticker and decal cutter. Think about how many laptops, cars, skateboards, and water bottles you see plastered with stickers. A small vinyl cutter turns your designs into high-quality stickers and decals on demand. Pair it with a cheap printer for full-color work and you're suddenly running a micro-brand for pennies per piece. You can also offer local businesses custom window graphics or labels. 13. At-home essential oil blending station. Natural, handmade wellness products are trending. With a small distiller and a good set of recipes, you can blend essential oils for candles, diffusers, or roller bottles. You don't need a huge space, just a clean area and some bottles. Because you're making unique blends, you can market them as signature scents instead of generic ones. 14. Pocket-size photo printer booth. These little devices pair with a smartphone and spit out instant, sticky-back photos. Set up at parties or markets and print memories on the spot, or take orders online for mini albums and scrapbooks. It's a tiny machine with a fun social vibe that makes people impulse buy. 15. DIY soap and bath bomb mixer. Another home-friendly mini factory, a mixer for small batches of soap or bath bombs. People are crazy for artisanal bath products, especially when they're colorful and smell amazing. You can experiment with ingredients and shapes, keep costs low, and market them as handmade luxury. Each batch is quick to produce and easy to ship. That's just a taste of what's possible. 15 different machines, each one small enough to fit in a spare room but powerful enough to build a real business around. If one of them sparked an idea for you, don't just scroll past it. Start researching, start testing, and see where it takes you. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next batch of hidden gem ideas.